This is a flavor of test 1, test 2, and test 3. So let us go ahead and start. So the first question is draw the graph or draw the angle in standard position. So you have 315 degrees. So when you look at this 315 degrees, obviously it should be in D, okay? Why D? Because from here to here, it is 180, right? So 180, this is 270, and you need a little bit of that to have 315 degrees, okay? Question 2 says, find the length S of the arc of a circle of radius 14 feet, subtended by the central angle half radian. So we know that the arc length is given by S, radius multiplied by theta from your table. Our radius is 14 and the angle is half radian, so this is 7 feet, right? Okay. In question 3, we have find the length S of an arc of a circle of radius 5 feet and the central angle 33. So the difference between 2 and 3 is that in 3, your angle is in degrees, which needs to be converted to radians. So again, S is radius multiplied by theta, where the radius is 50 multiplied by the angle is 33, but it need to be converted to radians, so we multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, when you put this on your calculator, you should get something like 28.798. Why 798? Because the instruction says 3 decimal places. Okay. So again, if you want, when I mention, for example, say question 4, you can pause the video, work it out, and then check the answer. Or if you want, you can just go through and then revise later. Okay. So in question 4, we want the area of a sector of a circle of radius 100 feet formed by the central angle of half radian. So recall that the area is given by half radius squared theta, where theta is already in radians. So this is 1 over 2 multiplied by 100 squared multiplied by 1 over 2. Okay, so this is just 1 over 4 multiplied by 100 squared. Okay, and when you expand this on your calculator, you should get 2,500 square feet. Okay, I will do question 5. So in question 5, we are looking for the you're looking for the area of the lawn that receives the water, where the radius is 40 and the angle is 125. So 125 is in degrees. It has to be converted in radians. So in our formula, area is equal to 1 over 2 r squared theta. We write 1 over 2. The radius is 40 squared multiplied by, so where there is, for theta, I write 125 multiplied by pi over 180 degrees, right? So why did I multiply by pi over 180 degrees? Because the angle is in degrees. We have to convert it to radians. So I already have this on the calculator. So this is 1,745. Correct to 2 decimal places, it will be 0.33. Okay.